Hey everyone, I'm Dina from simplyhomecooked.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make brown sugar boba, also known as brown sugar milk tea. Now before we get started, if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button. To make the brown sugar syrup, you want to bring a saucepan over medium-high heat, then add half a cup of dark brown sugar along with a quarter cup of water. Then stir that thoroughly with a whisk until the sugar begins to dissolve. Once the sugar mixture comes to a boil, you want to adjust the temperature to medium-low to maintain a gentle simmer for about 5 to 6 minutes or until the mixture reaches about 230 to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to be very careful not to overcook the mixture because if it does get too hot, it will completely harden and you cannot use it as a syrup. It's going to be rock hard. So even if it's a little bit under that, if it's a little bit runny, that's totally fine. Your brown sugar boba is still gonna taste amazing, but you always wanna just make sure not to go past that very hot point because you're just gonna ruin it and you're gonna have to start over. Towards the end, the mixture might still look a little runny, and that's totally fine. As it cools at room temperature, it will thicken up. And once it's completely cooled, you'll see that it's got a nice, dark, thick texture. That's what you're going for. Also, pro tip, if you love making brown sugar boba at home, just like I do, I like to make a larger batch. I just quadruple the recipe and then I keep it in like a glass mason jar in the fridge. And so you have brown sugar syrup ready to go whenever you want to make some boba. Now, while the brown sugar syrup is cooling down, you can get started on cooking your tapioca pearls. And I love to use this brand right here, and I'll make sure to link to it in the notes. I've tried quite a few, and so far this has been my favorite. You'll want to bring a pot of water to a rolling boil, then add a quarter cup of the tapioca pearls, and then depending on which package you buy, you want to follow instructions on the package. I like to cook mine a little bit more. I like them very soft and chewy, so I cooked mine for about 5 minutes just like it says, but then I covered it and let it simmer for like another 8 to 10 minutes. I mean, I let them really sit there. But it honestly depends on how firm you like your boba. Cook it according to your liking. Once your boba is all done cooking, you want to use any kind of slotted spoon to fish all the boba pearls out of the boiling water and then transfer it to a bowl. And then you want to add a tablespoon of dark brown sugar just right over the boba and just stir it around. The sugar will dissolve as the boba cools. Now in a 16-ounce cup or glass, add a quarter cup of the brown sugar syrup. You could honestly pour it straight into there, but I like to do the little ribbony effect. I just think it looks cool, but that's totally optional. Once you've got your syrup in, you can go ahead and add a quarter cup of your cooked boba, then add about a cup of ice, then pour in 1 cup of whole milk, and then I love to top my brown sugar boba with about 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream on top. I feel like it just takes the milk tea over the top. It makes it super creamy, and the creaminess really complements the sugar. It's just such a nice combination. I feel like it's a must. You just have to add the heavy cream. Once you've got everything in, give it a good stir and slurp it up and enjoy. Now that you know just how easy it is to make brown sugar boba right at home, you can make this all the time for a fraction of the cost. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button so you guys get notified every time I come out with a new video. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.